So these are the side columns. Suction cup, putting it right on the bottom. Put it back like this. I'm hoping these are the right screws. I'm gonna need a better screwdriver, you guys, to tighten this up. Pre-drilled is already on the drying rack. See? This is why you need to use a long one. So we use the right screws on the first step. One. I know I said I wasn't going to get the drill gun, but I can't help it. Make sure your settings on low. Alright. Alright, you guys, I'm going to put the two back panels on, and they have really tiny holes right here. Alright, you guys, we're going to put these screws on. Once you tighten that, you can do the rest, especially when you're working in these tight corners. Alright, that's in. Now they're going to go in a little bit of an angle because it's kind of weird, but it'll straighten itself out. Alright, you guys, so in the instructions it says install the top one first, then the bottom one, but we went against the grain. So do the same method, look for your hole. Alright, you guys, so we got this gap right here. We are going to do it this way. On right here. And the top. We are going to put our panel on. So you put the panel on here to your frame. You got these pieces right here. What you want to do is push it into the hole. Alright, you guys, and when you do this, make sure the flat end is on the panel. So flat side down on the panel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I installed this part backwards, so just to let you know, don't install this the wrong way. It's easy to take back off, it won't be a problem. This is a no-no. So this is how I installed it. You don't want to install like that. This is how you want to install it. Push it down, and then you want this to go inside. Push it right through till you get it through the hole, and that's how you want to install it. Put it on, you can squeeze these in. It goes right through the hole, and this one gonna go through the hole, and it covers just like that, you guys. Alright, nice and easy. So I gotta take this one back down because that's all that does. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright everyone, so here we go, the final review with the dish draining rack, 37 inches. The only thing I'm going to say, there's two things that's different from the picture and the product. So this rack right here is supposed to be covered, but they gave it to us like this, and this is supposed to be different when it comes to the knife drying rack, okay? I'll post a picture and I'll post the difference, but other than that, we don't care because it does the function that it needs to do. And then on top, you have your cabinets that will make your dishes dust proof. You can put your mugs, you can put your rice maker, waffle maker, toaster right there on top. You can put more dishes right there on top. You can save 50% of your cabinet space. You can put all of your dishes from there, and then you can put all your dishes right there. So if you want to go to the store and buy more dishes, you can do what we just did. Put it on there, put it on there, and bring it down, and then you are good. We can close them. Close it. You have hooks right here. They gave you 6 hooks. All right, when I want to barbecue, I use this side. When I want to cook in the house, I use this side. And then another bonus with this is that the old one was shorter down, okay? This is higher up right here. So if I want to, I can actually put my sink up like that without it being hit. A little bit less than 19 inches of clearance. So you have 17 inches right there, all right? So if you have one of those huge ones like I used to have right here, the sensor one, it was too tall for the other one that we have, but I believe I can put it back, or I'll put a different one here to go across. This is steel. My measuring tape sticks onto it. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review. Why did I sit on this Bing bag? Ugh. Okay. Whew, that Bing bag is too comfortable, you guys.